They're part of a program when they join this class. They made it. They're on the varsity welding team, if you will. You can't hardly walk 100 feet on campus without seeing something that was built here. A lot of the academic teachers are very supportive of our program. I've had one of them outright blatantly tell me, I'm kind of jealous. You have like this avenue to connect the kids to the community, or just to connect to the kids that we just don't have.
About 5 years ago, I met Jake at a Skills USA event in Oregon. Right away,
oh man, that looks real good.
I could tell that his students were different.
How long have you been doing this? That's great.
I just hang out and teach through my experience. Personally, I'm just trying to create that connection with the students and the instructors so we can communicate better.
You know, I'm an athlete by trade. I know that the best way to be the best is to seek the best and find who's going to help you and who wants you to succeed as well. And I feel like Nate and Rush are those type of guys.
The kids have such a firm grasp on the fundamentals. They were ready to throw some really advanced stuff at us.
Like all the things that you wish that you could do with a MIG welder, like on a MIG welder you have two knobs.
Where typically advanced technology has been like kept at arm's length in the industry because it's like, hey, well, we're not used to this stuff. This generation is like, oh wait, that's cool. Bring it over here, I want to play with it. And then they win with it.
It's starting to like dial itself in, and after that, it's just smooth.
It looks good no matter what you do to it.
Right.
The way Nate and Rush approach it, a lot of the kids are more comfortable to maybe walk up and ask a question or try something new. When you weld aluminum, do you like an open card or a lens?
I like a lens. Welding aluminum is like my favorite thing. It's loud, it's really high energy. It creates like a certain fascination. Like a bug, like drawn into a bud zapper.
I'm gonna just stay here, I'll catch a ride later. This is interesting.
One of the coolest things is seeing kids that have never TIG welded before learn how to TIG weld on aluminum from Rush.
But it's gonna look like a little mirror, just like this.
You take a kid that's never welded aluminum, ever, and in 3 2-inch welds, they're stacking dimes.